So as we've seen, there's been quite the downturn in the crypto markets broadly, and certainly in Bitcoin, dating back to actually the peak in November, where Bitcoin actually just barely touched 69,000. And then we saw it dip last night, I think overnight, just below 21,000. Bitcoin has shown a lot of correlation with the Nasdaq Qs and the big tech stocks for the last year and a half or so. And with the Fed raising rates all of this year and expected to continue to raise rates, I think that puts a lot of pressure on Bitcoin being, as it is today, a very nascent sort of early store of value, kind of like an immature gold. It's not surprising at all that, especially when it trades 24/7, and you may be meeting a margin call for some stock trade on Monday and Bitcoin trades on Sunday, you can see downward pressure on it sort of as a leading indicator of what's going on in broader markets as well. I think that the Fed is going to continue to raise rates. I think there are a lot of economic pressures, really from events around the world. I think there's something coming up around October, really as a result of the Russia-Ukraine crisis, where you're going to see that, the second harvest, essentially, that was deprived of fertilizer in so many different tracts of farmland around the world, is going to result in a lot of pressures in a lot of ways, and some particularly scary, that are going to come home to roost in markets around the world.